Alright, second video. I fucked up the first one. Oil change on the SSR. Gotta warm up the engine really hot. Yeah, fuck yeah, I already did it on the first one. I was in the process of changing this bitch. It's fucking hard to do it by myself. Your vet sucks. Can't hold the camera. Almost done. I'll get in it out. Ready? Man, look at that fucking black ass oil. Come on, you're gonna see it. Fucking oil is black on this bike. This is the first oil change since I bought this. I haven't been fucking riding it and working on it. I'm fucking tired of working at fucking home's good. 62 hours a fucking week. Oh, come on. When are you gonna come off? My fucking hand's tired. This is probably fucking full of oil, that's why already. Is it hot, the oil? No, I'm just gonna go like this. Fuck, I'm burning. I was gonna burn myself. Ready? Fuck this shit. It's almost off. Whoa, it came off. Damn, what the fuck? It's black. No. Why are you so black? Oh, this shit's rolling in the dirt. No. This shit's hot. Why is it so black? Because the fucking previous owner never changed his fucking engine oil. And this shit's fucking coming out not even like how thick. See, that's why you gotta warm it up. Warm up this fucking shit. It comes out like fucking water. Your boy knows. Chris the dog. Come on, homie. You don't even know. Look it. See, look it. Quick and easy, not no fucking slow drain. Fast and quick.